What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. I want to share with you a great promotion that I just received from American Express. It's for the Gold Delta American Express card. It benefits us both. As you can see here, refer your friends, and it's a win-win. That's what it is. You get 60,000 bonus miles, and I get 10,000 bonus miles for when you click on my referral code. So I am able to do this because I am a customer. I've just completed my first year with the card, and there are definitely some great benefits to the card. Let me share those with you. So, first year, first of all, it's free. And then after that, it's $95 a year. You could decide if you want to cancel it at that point, but at least the first year it's free. And you get 60,000 bonus miles after you spend $3,000 on purchases on your new card within your first 4 months. So just be sure that you are planning to spend the $3,000 in your first four months, and then it's great. It also is a limited time offer, so make sure to take advantage of this promotion. Again, there's no annual fee for the first year. Second year, it's $95. There is an APR, so if you don't pay your bill every month on time, then you will pay higher interest rates. Some of the other things which are really nice as well, you do get Delta Sky Miles, so earn 1 mile per dollar for purchases you make with the card. So, you may not use the card during the year. I mostly used it when I flew with Delta, so I could benefit, which I want to talk about next, is the first check bag free. That pays for itself because I think it's $25 each way. So you can save $50 round trip with the check bag. So 2 flights in a year, card pays for itself. Also, you get priority boarding, and that's really a fantastic benefit, especially if you're a heavy traveler. You would really benefit from that. Also, no foreign transaction fees. That can really go a long way and save you money, especially if you're going overseas and you're purchasing. And there's other benefits as well, as you can see here. Payment flexibility, and also earn 2 miles on Delta purchases. So there you go. I'm going to put my referral code in the description, and I appreciate you clicking on that if you decide to go with the Gold American Express card. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.